Okay, this one's going to be using a frequency table. Again, we've asked you to do some of these by hand, I think, but this is going to be one that's going to help you if we have a table that has a list of scores. Okay, so here instead we've got a score out of 10 for a quiz, for example. We can type in frequency here. We might just have to go shorten that. And this is an example of how many people got this score. So 3 people got 1 out of 10, for example. All right, the next column, we want it to do a frequency times score. So we're going to do, this is going to be our FX column. And over here, we're going to do a cumulative frequency. So for the FX column, what we want to do is tell the calculator to multiply these two numbers together and put the answer in the third column. So to do that, we put an equal sign in first, and you can click into this cell here. So we want it to get A1, and we want to do a multiply. Click back in there, say times, and we want to multiply it by this answer, or this number, and then when we press enter now, it should put the score in. And if we want to copy the same rule down, if you highlight over the corner of your cell and you drag that down, it tells the CAS to do the same operation to each one of those cells. Sometimes it does scroll down really quick for you, so you need to try and avoid that, but you can use your down arrow instead of the cursor if you want. Might be a bit easier. Okay, now the cumulative frequency is taking the frequency number and then plussing it up as we go. So we can just do that one by hand, I guess. So we go 3, and then in the next one it's going to be 3 plus 5 is 8. We're taking each number from this column over here. Right, so 8 plus 6 is 14. Keep going, so 17, 21, plus another 6 is 27. And then we keep going, and when we get to the end, that'll be the total number of people from the frequency, the cumulative frequency. So the number on the bottom of that row would be the total number of people that we've taken results for this data. And 42, so 42 people would have been in this survey. Okay, so the next thing we want it to do is do some more stats. I might save this screen and then I'll show you what to do next. Just make it a bit smaller so I can see the whole thing. That didn't really work.